Let's start learning coding today. It's a fun, creative, and powerful skill. So come along, let's explore and grow together. Go to the Google or any browser and just type Google Colab. And whatever the first link is, definitely the Google Colab, you just click it here and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account, and here the board will open. Click the new notebook. Yeah, this is your dashboard. Google Colab is a free online coding environment where you can write and learn Python code without installing anything on your laptop. So just start typing the name of the file, whatever the name you want to write it. I choose Python day 1 and click the plus code. So today we are doing the coding of calculation, adding two numbers here. So it's very easy in maths, but here we use to take variables to store the values. X and Y are the variable, and result is also variable where we are storing our output. 10 and 20 are the values, and print command we use to get our output. Okay, so while pressing this key or button, we'll get the output. Everyone knows is 30, right? Now I want that output is not just like 30. Some statement or string should be there. The sum is something like that. For that we use f string. F string is used to concatenate the string value and the integers, the numbers. Okay, the result is the number. So we got it. The sum is 30. Okay, so see, the coding is fun. You can try it with addition, subtraction, multiplication with same piece of code. Okay, just try it out. Coding is all about exploring, trying new things. So if you want a new feature is that if you want this piece of code to execute only one single time, or only one line should be executed, this also you can do it. Just write it down the number of statement or quotation. See, I had used print command to write hello, welcome, or I'm Deepika Sonal, learn something new. So one more statement, print double quotation. Under double quotation only our string should be written, otherwise it will give the error. But for the variable we don't use the double quotation. So if you want to execute, this whole piece of code is executed, right? But I want only my name should be there. I am Deepika, that's it. For that, select it and press the control command plus enter. So you will execute the single piece of code. Same for the hello welcome. You have to select it and press the shift command and enter, and you will get, not control, sorry, it's a shift command plus enter, and you will get the result. In coding, you can do the commenting also, Comments are here in coding language. It's an explanation about the next line. Okay, and this is mostly used for, long piece of codes are there to explain this next line of code or something important to describe. We use the comment with starting hashtag, and piece of code is there. So it's nothing to do with execution. It's only to explanation. Okay. For the better documentation, we give the heading or some text so that it look neat and clean, and it's a good practice also. So we can use the text also. So for using here, print and welcome message or something like that. Okay, so this is your first day. You can type it anything, any statement, string. So in Google Colab. So this is all about the Google Colab. And yes, I'm from Destiny Curve, Deepika Sonal here. And make sure you just keep on learning, and it is just do some small exercise. So I hope you can do it in a minute. Explore Python with yourself, and yeah, meet you in next video with Python libraries. And yes, coding is fun and creative things. Thank you and have a wonderful day.